Hi everyone, here we've got XIAOMI Mi 10T Lite 5G, and let me show you how to show battery percentage on the status bar on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll and tap on the display. Now let's scroll down again and find Control Center and Notification Shade, and let's scroll down to the very bottom. Here we've got the battery indicator option, so let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got 3 options to choose from. The very first one is only the battery icon. The second, which is right now applied, is that we've got the percentage inside the battery icon, or another one in which we will have the exact percentage right next to the battery icon. So let me pick, for example, the last one, and as you can see, it immediately changes. So from now on, the exact percentage of the usage of the battery will be right next to the battery icon. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your XIAOMI Mi 10T Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.